Hi, I'm Jim Palmer for the Money Store. Since 1967, homeowners have been coming to the Money Store for a variety of reasons. To refinance their mortgage, get a home equity loan, consolidate their bills, and finance their home improvements. But the Money Store does more than just work directly with customers. They also work with home improvement specialists and contractors. Now, you may be wondering, what does a home equity lender have in common with a home improvement specialist like yourself? Well, a lot. The Money Store and you are both targeting the same consumer, homeowners. Homeowners see your advertising and promotions which incite their interest to buy, but they may not have the available resources, and as a result, they don't commit to making the improvement. That's where the Money Store can help. The Money Store offers a variety of home improvement loans to meet virtually every homeowner's need. So even if your customer has little equity in their home or less than perfect credit, the Money Store can help them find the right home improvement loan to fit their budget. By offering your customers financing through the Money Store, your chances to close a sale are even greater. And because of the Money Store's flexible guidelines and quick turnaround time, you're able to provide your customers a faster means to finance their home improvements. Now, just listen as the Money Store's loan officers answer some commonly asked questions. What types of home improvements can the Money Store finance?
The Money Store offers home improvement financing on just about every type of project, from landscaping to kitchen remodeling. We realize by approving home improvement loans, we can help the borrower to increase the value of their home. And as a lender, it's our responsibility to help them accomplish that.
What types of loan programs does the Money Store offer?
The Money Store offers a broad range of loan programs with a high degree of flexibility. We cover everything from your top-notch A bank borrower to those of you with less than perfect credit. Starting off with our fabulous no equity program, we can offer $35,000 with no verification of value. What that means is there's no appraisal, therefore no appraisal fee and no period of time that causes the contractor distress while waiting for that appraisal to come in, sometimes at a lesser value than we'd like to see it at. In addition to that, we can provide the loan with no points, no fees, and no prepayment penalty. You can't beat that anywhere. We can also provide your clients with debt consolidation opportunities to reduce their monthly outgo and also minimize those objections you might get when there are more pressing improvements that may need to be performed by offering you an opportunity to do multiple home improvements all consolidated into one loan. We also have non-lien programs available up to $10,000, and we have refinance available. So we look forward to you taking advantage of our excellent loan programs at the Money Store.
How long does it take to get a home improvement loan from the Money Store?
We here at the Money Store can have your money to you very quickly. It takes 4 to 24 hours to process the application. This means that you can start your project fast and get it completed and have your money to you in a very timely basis. And we pride ourselves on the fast service that we can offer you.
Can the Money Store help customers with less than perfect credit?
The Money Store specializes in less than perfect credit. For over 25 years now, we've helped folks with less than perfect credit to achieve their goals. At the Money Store, we look at the entire credit picture and not just a special unique circumstance. Your borrower will not be declined credit simply because of a few credit problems they've had in the past.
How does the Money Store support contractors?
Well, the Money Store really wants to be more than just a lender to contractors. We want to be a strategic ally. We do this 3 ways. First, our lending program is one of the most competitive, service-oriented, and product-diverse programs available in the entire industry. The second way we do this is through rapid and flexible credit answers and through localized sales offices whose only job it is to keep contractors informed throughout the entire loan process. Now, the third way that we support contractors is through our cooperative advertising program and through other sales support services that are absolutely unique in the home improvement industry. The Money Store really is more than just a lender to contractors. We are a strategic ally. You got to give us a call.
How can you get more information about working with the Money Store?
That's easy. We provide you with a special toll-free number. Just call 1-800-44-FIX-UP today. Don't wait another day when you can be using the exciting, flexible, easy programs that the Money Store has to offer you, the contractor. We're committed to your success. Don't wait. Call 1-800-44-FIX-UP. We'll hook you up with your local account executive and get you rolling immediately. Our programs are excellent. Please give us a call.
As you have seen, the Money Store is committed to offering your customers the best service and you, the contractor, the best support in the industry. But that's not all the Money Store has to offer. As any successful business knows, it's advertising that brings customers to your door. That's why the Money Store introduced the Contractor Support Program, a cooperative advertising program in which you and the Money Store share advertising costs in order to increase your sales. As a participant in the Contractor Support Program, you're able to attract more business through joint advertising and offer your home improvement customers financing through the Money Store.
You can relax and be wading the summer away in a new pool, even if your credit is less than perfect. With a variety of home improvement loans, the Money Store is sure to have one to fit your needs.
In Sacramento, see Paul's Pools, distinctly designed pools for optimum fun and relaxation. Call for a free design consultation today at 1-800-GREAT-POOL. That's 1-800-GREAT-POOL.
Even if your credit is less than perfect, you can stay cool in a new pool with a home improvement loan from the Money Store. The Money Store, where America goes for money. You can relax in your new pool this summer, even if your credit is less than perfect. With a variety of home improvement loans, the Money Store is sure to have one to fit your needs.
In Sacramento, see Paul's Pools, distinctly designed pools for optimum fun and relaxation. Call for a free design consultation today at 1-800-GREAT-POOL. That's 1-800-GREAT-POOL.
Even if your credit is less than perfect, you can stay cool in a new pool with a home improvement loan from the Money Store. The Money Store, where America goes for money. When it comes to remodeling your kitchen, the Money Store can give you something to whistle about, even if your credit is less than perfect. With a variety of home improvement loans, the Money Store is sure to have one to fit your needs.
In Sacramento, see Paul's Kitchen Remodelers, kitchens distinctly designed for beauty and space. Call for a free design consultation today at 1-800-GREAT-SINK. That's 1-800-GREAT-SINK.
With a home improvement loan from the Money Store, you can get your project cooking, even if your credit is less than perfect. The Money Store, where America goes for money. When it comes to remodeling your kitchen, the Money Store can get you cooking, even if your credit is less than perfect. With a variety of home improvement loans, the Money Store is sure to have one that fits your needs.
In Sacramento, see Paul's Kitchen Remodelers, kitchens distinctly designed for beauty and space. Call for a free design consultation today at 1-800-GREAT-SINK. That's 1-800-GREAT-SINK.
Even if your credit is less than perfect, get that new kitchen you've always wanted. With a home improvement loan from the Money Store. The Money Store, where America goes for money. When it comes to remodeling your kitchen, the Money Store can get your plans going, even if your credit is less than perfect. With a variety of home improvement loans, the Money Store is sure to have one to fit your needs.
In Sacramento, see Paul's Kitchen Remodelers, kitchens distinctly designed for beauty and space. Call for a free design consultation today at 1-800-GREAT-SINK. That's 1-800-GREAT-SINK.
Even if your credit is less than perfect, get that new kitchen you've always wanted. with a home improvement loan from the Money Store. The Money Store, where America goes for money.
Together, you and the Money Store can work to offer your customers the ability to make those home improvements that they otherwise might not be able to. To find out more about the Contractor Support Program, call 1-800-44-FIX-UP or talk to a home improvement representative. At the Money Store, they're committed to helping customers find ways to finance their home improvements. By working with the Money Store, you can increase your sales by offering your customers the most flexible and service-oriented financing in the industry. The Money Store, where America goes for money.